Hello everybody, this is my final project for Chinese English translation, and I'll be cooking for you guys. So, hi, I'm Xiaoying. Today I will cook something with broccoli and egg. First, cut the broccoli. And add some water. Add a spoon of salt and vinegar. Wash it. Soak for 5 minutes. I think by it means the broccoli. And I have no clue how much broccoli I'm supposed to use, so that seems like a head of broccoli. Yeah. Oh, important to note, it will take out the worm inside it. I think that's what the explanation is for the whole soaking process. The worm inside it, okay. Now, we slice a carrot. So I do not have a full carrot, but I do have ubiquitous carrot sticks. So we will take out these. And I need a carrot's worth of carrot sticks. And cut it into stripes and dice it. Our carrots are done. So after we are told to slice a carrot and cut it into stripes and dice it, we are told to put it in the bowl. Seems like a lot of carrot. And now, I think it's been 5 minutes, so we can wash the broccoli after soak it, wash for several times and dry it. Put it in the bowl. And we are told to boil the water, add 1 spoon of salt, a spoon of oil. So I have water on the burner back there, and I will go add, because I think we should stay consistent with the recipe, the same spoon. Okay, the water's at a boil. So I will add the cleaned broccoli, boil for 2 minutes, take them out, dry it, and cool it down a little bit. All right, okay. So it is 5:03. I'm gonna drop the broccoli in, and I will take it out at 5:05. Also, I need to make a correction. I am actually not told to dry it after taking them out. I'm actually told to fry it after taking them out. I'm gonna not do that. Okay, it is 5:05 now, so I will now take them out, fry it, and cool it down a little bit. So as the recipe reads, after cooling the broccoli down, when it's not hot, dice it. I don't really know what she means by dicing broccoli. Like that. That seems good, right? Okay, we have diced all the broccoli. This is a lot of broccoli. And now we are told, put it with carrot. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it with carrot. Oh wow, this is so much broccoli. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Crack 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we need to add some salt and pepper powder, and then mix them well with chopsticks, yes. You know what? I'm gonna go rogue, and I'm gonna crack another egg. Here we go with egg number 5. Now I must add 2 spoons of cassava starch. I do not have cassava starch, but I do have another unknown type of starch. There's already a spoon here, so let's do 1, 2. Mix until there's no dry starch, like this sticky paste. This does not seem like a sticky paste. Is that a sticky paste to y'all? Yeah, no. Oh God. Okay. Spoilers, later she describes it as a pancake, and this does not look like it's gonna become a pancake. Let's add another egg. Now we have lights on. 1 more egg to counteract all of this broccoli that I added. 2 more spoons of starch. That feels good. Ooh, got that everywhere. Oh, that looks good. Now we're really cooking. So now we're told to use a ovenware, brush some oil, and put a bake paper on it. Put the paste in. I'm gonna use these same bowls. Yeah. Because I don't know what an ovenware is. But I do not have bake paper, so let's hope that it does not stick. But I'm just gonna quickly just brush this other one with oil and essentially transfer the mixture from one bowl to the exact same bowl. After the water boiled, which it is right now, it's the same water as before, steam for 10 minutes with high heat. Who knows if this bowl is allowed to be steamed in? I don't, but we will try. So, let's go. So the recipe reads, during this time, let's make a sauce. Cut some pepper, put in the bowl. So we got a pepper right here. Well, we're told to cut some pepper. So I'm just gonna cut a pepper. This might be very spicy because I think these peppers are pretty spicy. So let's hope we don't die. Put in the bowl and dice some garlic. Put in the bowl. Perfect. Don't know how much garlic. That much? And if I recall correctly, the technique that she does in her videos is she just goes like, so I'm gonna do that. Now we're gonna put it in the bowl. But now we will add 2 spoons of soy sauce. We get the same spoon, you know, we're keeping things consistent. 2 spoons of vinegar. 1. Oh, great, great, great. Okay, maybe them. Oh. 3 spoons of vinegar. And then 1 spoon of sesame oil. And mix well. Wow. Oh no. I just realized that I was not recording this the whole time. You're just gonna have to imagine me pouring this empty rice vinegar bottle. So it's been 10 minutes. But I realized that the egg is very not cooked in the center. So we're just gonna let it steam so that I don't poison my mom. Yeah. So I would say that we're probably like 25 minutes in to the cook. So I think we should just take it out now. And let me just read the little last bit. The egg cake is done. Smells so good. The fresh smell of broccoli. Okay, yes. Take them out, cool it down. Okay, I think that means to remove it. I see now why they said to use the parchment paper. Okay, let's see. We're gonna go plate. We just turned it upside down. We smack it a couple times. So we'll get you into the action. Here we go. Okay, yep, that's still in there. I'm just gonna, oh my God. Well, I'm not gonna say what this really looks like. Ta-da! You can see what happens when you don't line it with parchment. Let me read you the rest of the script. You can feel it's really elastic, very fresh and soft. You can eat it directly. Dip with sauce, tastes better. Okay, let's see if that's true. We're just gonna, let's get a fork. I'm Chinese. Should I get chopsticks? I'll get chopsticks. Well, I'm first gonna just taste it by itself. It's a little weird. But dip with sauce tastes better, so that's probably true. Let's see. Okay. Definitely better with the sauce. Spicy and sour, perfect with rice. If you cook for children, don't use the pepper. You can eat this as a dish, also a main food, or you can pour the sauce on top. This delicious pancake is done. Very nutritive. Children will love this. Try it if you like. Subscribe if you like my video. Thank you. Now, I'm going to watch the original video and see what I did wrong. I didn't make that. I didn't make that though. Yeah, that's a little different. That's a little different. That's a little different. That's okay though. That's okay. You know, we're all learning. So I think we really learned today that without visuals, it's already hard to cook. And when you're working with really poor translations, it's even harder. I hope you like my food. Thank you. Goodbye.